if your door won't come open and it's not locked, so obviously sometimes you might see a lock on the digital display, or if it's older than that, if you know the door's locked or it's half filled with water, then don't use this. It means there's something wrong with your door lock or the draining system, so you need to sort other problems out first. But if it's open and the lock's off, but maybe your door catch is gone or broken off, you can use a piece of string and just slot it in the side of the door and just pull like that. So all you're doing is just getting a piece of rope. The best thing to use is pull cord from a lighting switch. So that's it, you just feed it down. The thinner the rope the better. Pop it open. That's it.